Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Real Estate Minute Show. Haven't seen you guys in a few weeks. I was on vacation for a week. Last week, I put another episode out for regarding HOAs, which I thought was really important. Again, like the 101 of HOA documents. So welcome back. Nice to see you guys. Wanted to talk just very briefly about kind of what's going on with COVID, vaccinations, non-vaccinations, and what that does to your home sale. So we're finding that we're seeing in the market, I haven't experienced yet with a client myself, where some people selling their homes are asking their agents to only have people that are vaccinated, that can show proof of vaccination, come into their house to visit the house, either at an open house, which is allowed again, by the way. So that came back into play, I think it was over 2 months ago, 3 months ago, and or private showings, appointments only. So there are some clients that are real hesitant and only want vaccinated people to see their house. Totally the seller's choice. It's totally fine to show the house to that makes you feel comfortable and makes you feel safe, if that's a concern of yours. But the only thing that you must know is you're restricting half the universe from potential buyers of your home. So be aware that whenever that happens, like for instance, we sometimes get people that are coming into homes that we're selling that don't want to put booties on and leave. Okay, very rare, but it does happen. So you got to imagine that, right now in the United States, about 50% of the population is fully vaccinated, the other isn't. This is middle of August of 2021. Who knows how that'll fluctuate. And so we just don't know what effect that's going to have on a requirement like that. But you've got to assume that you're going to lose about half your universe of buyers because half of the country is not vaccinated. And it'll be micro markets dependent, But just as a real big generality, realize that. And, I'm recommending any agent I talk to about this, that they obviously let their clients know that, their sellers know that, by doing that, totally fine, and we'll institute that policy for you. But understand that it will start to really shave off the potential buyer universe. And that holds true with any restriction or kind of limit you put on people, amount, and stuff on your home. All right, stay well. And hope summer was good. It's almost over already. We're kind of heading into fall and Labor Day in a few weeks, and unbelievable. But stay cool, and we'll see you next week on the show. Thanks for your time today. Take care.